I'm Chocolate Platinum. These are the Chocolate Platinum Soul Line dancers. Thank you guys for the love. We need the love. I'm going to introduce my dancers. We got Kim, Nicole Douglas, Anisha Desai, Nicole Scott, Millicent, which is one of my assistant instructors, and also my baby. That's Kelly. She's also one of our instructors. This is the dance that I created for the artist, Mr. Sam. We're gonna do it for you. And I love you, Mama Jewel, thank you. That's my godmother.
Nobody can have a better goddaughter than my goddaughter, okay? Don't mess with my girl. Okay, hit it, maestro.
Everybody, let's go.
Hey!
Everybody, let's go to work.
Hey!
Everybody, let's go to work. Everybody, let's go.
Come on, Kyra.
Come on, they're waiting on you.
Kyra.
Come on. Hey!
We made this dance for the artist. Kyra also was in it. That's my partner in crime. All right, let's go, brother.
Everybody, let's go to work. Everybody,
Hey!
to work. Everybody,
Hey!
everybody, let's go to work. Everybody, let's go
All right. Hey!
to work. Everybody, let's go to work. Everybody, let's go to work.